Welcome back to What's New at HeyGen. Here's what shipped in July and what you can do with it. First up, video podcast. Drop in a script, link, or a document and get a 2-host video podcast with studio scenes, multicam cuts, and B-roll. You can even invite a real co-host by email. All other tools stop at audio, while this is a podcast show you can actually publish. Next, HyperFrames is now inside Video Agent. One prompt gets you a full video with custom motion graphics, all built-in code. Script, voiceover, your avatar, captions, music, all done for you. Our avatar model also hit 30 minutes in a single pass. No more stitching clips together and praying the seams don't show. And 5 more upgrades to HyperFrames. Paste a URL and HyperFrames builds your launch video from your own site. Hand it a Figma link, the video matches your file exactly. There's also now a free media library with 75,000 images and 10,000 tracks to use. Next, we introduced GSAP-style keyframe animation, the same system pros use in After Effects, rebuilt as code inside HyperFrames. Your agent can see its own motion output and fix it with one command. And lastly, HyperFrames Storyboard Mode pitches ideas and waits for your yes before it renders anything. Everything's live today, so go try it out and we'll see you again next month.